Welcome to our guide on sending avatars on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive into the steps. First, open facebook.com on your computer's web browser and ensure you're logged into your account. Next, locate the chat where you wish to send your avatar. It could be a friend, a group chat, or a messenger conversation. Within the chat window, look for the sticker icon, usually located near the text input box. Click on it to access the sticker options. Now, navigate to the avatar section by clicking on the avatar icon within the sticker collection. This will open up a range of avatar choices for you to select from. Choose the avatar that best represents your mood, personality, or the message you want to convey. Simply click on the desired avatar to add it to your chat. Your selected avatar will now appear in the chat window, ready to be sent to your chosen recipient or group. Sending avatars on Facebook is a fun and interactive way to communicate with a personal touch. Express yourself creatively and add a touch of fun to your conversations by sharing avatars. Thank you for tuning in to our tutorial. Enjoy sharing avatars on Facebook and make your chats more engaging and expressive.